Then let me bring us back here in these last 5 minutes to what I described at the very beginning as the linchpin. So we need to hire every industry needs to hire new workers at some point, and looks to the younger generation to staff those new positions. When you think back, is the biotech of today that different than the biotech of 15, 20 years ago? And in that we're stressing so much that, hey, you're hiring for this environment where we're outsourcing all these different things. We work with all these external partners. Has it changed that much? And is that really the linchpin when we're hiring nowadays?
I believe it has, Louis, right? I think, pharma, whether it be small or large, right, has been on the trailing edge of outsourcing excellence, right? If you read the business books, right, the electronics industries, software industries are, by business metrics have been better at this than we have. And frankly, it's because their margins are much tighter, right? So I think our industry has grown in its sophistication, right? Understanding what best practice looks like, right? And, from that comes this discussion, okay, now we need talent, right, to perform best practice, right? I think our understanding of this issue we're talking about for the last hour is way ahead of where it was. I know it is for me personally, and I've been at this 30 years, right? It's way ahead of where it was 10, 15 years ago.